In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and adjust key settings in your beginner campaign in Wrike. To get started, make sure you're logged into your Wrike workspace in your browser. Once you're in, we're going to head over to the beginner campaign area. This is usually organized as a folder or project in your workspace. From the main Wrike interface, look for the space or folder where your marketing or onboarding campaigns live, and then select the one labeled Beginner Campaign. When you click into it, you should see a table or list view of all the tasks and items associated with that campaign. Once the beginner campaign is open, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. At the top and along the sides, you'll see various controls, filters, and view options. In this guide, we're focusing on a specific highlighted area that will lead us to the right settings. Move your cursor to the section that's highlighted in your on-screen guide. This is often a small icon or menu element that opens additional options related to the campaign or your account. Click on that highlighted area. When you do, a drop-down or side panel should appear with several choices. Among these, look for the option labeled Settings. This is where Wrike keeps many of the configuration options that affect how your workspace or account behaves. Go ahead and click on Settings. After clicking Settings, Wrike will take you to a new page or panel that focuses on account or profile configuration. Here, you'll see different tabs or sections. In the guide, a few specific areas are highlighted in sequence. Follow along with those highlighted parts on your screen. First, click on the highlighted section that brings you into your profile or account area. This is typically where you can adjust personal preferences like language, time zone, and notification behavior. Once that opens, look for the next highlighted control. This may relate to how your workspace is displayed, how notifications are delivered, or other profile options. Click that highlighted element, then continue to the final highlighted control shown in the guide. Work through each of these highlighted options one by one and review the settings available to you. Make changes carefully and take a moment to read any short descriptions Wrike provides for each option so you understand what you're adjusting. When you're done, confirm or save your changes if needed. And that's it. You've navigated from your beginner campaign in Wrike into the relevant settings and clicked through the key highlighted areas to review and adjust your configuration.